Hello guys, so here I'm gonna read to you the user manual V3.0 for this sports cam. Wasn't able to use this yet. Okay, so there's a warning at the back. It's a highly precision product and do not fall or crash. Do not expose the unit to strong magnetic objects such as magnet and electrical motor. Avoid strong radio waves. Strong magnetic fields may cause the product breakdown or images in some damage. Never leave your product exposed to high temperatures or in direct sunlight. Please choose branded micro SD card. Neutral cards are not guaranteed to work normally. Do not place the micro SD card near strong magnetic objects to avoid data loss. In case of overheating, smoke, or unpleasant smell in the process of charging, unplug your device immediately to prevent fire hazard. Right. While it is charging, keep the product out of children's reach. Power line may cause children accidental suffocation or electric shock. Then keep the device in cool, dry, and dust-proof place. I'm gonna open the manual. Alright, so this one. Okay, picture of the product. So this one, siya, nasa sulod. Let's read the parts. The OK button, indicator, power mode, lens, HDMI, USB, micro SD, mic. Then screen. So many up. Speaker down. Okay. For the volume. Then the battery cover lock. Then this one, picture of waterproof case. The OK button, power mode, up and down, switch off waterproof case, and then of course the lens. Here is the lens. Alright, picture of accessories. So let us check picture of accessories. Let us check if it's complete. This one, and then what's this? Okay, I think this one. This is the one. Then oh no, what's this? I think Manisha. Mahogany. Don't know, mahogany. Then oh, I think this is the one. This one. And this is, I don't know, Tanisha. Then this one. Okay, right. And then this one, Onisha. Helmet mounts. Gayon. Oh, where are the other parts? What about this one? I don't know where I'm going to use this. Then it's white. The rest are black. Kanira siyang white. Then there is also a belt. Ano ba'y kulang? Ito lang. Kasi kulang tayo. Hindi ko mamataod ano. Getting started. Inserting micro SD card. So wala pa tayo micro SD tara. Okay, this camera is compatible with 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB capacity micro SD. You must use a micro SD card with a class 10 speed rating. We recommend using brand name memory cards for maximum reliability and high vibration activities. Installing and removing batteries. Place on battery cap to open it. Correctly install battery into camera as indicated by these symbols, plussing and minus, and direction arrows mark on battery until it's placed. Until it's in place. Battery gauge. Please refer to diagram. Remove battery, open cup to take battery out. Charging. Charging can be done by either connecting camera to computer or adapter. Change camera and vehicle by connecting it to car charger. Camera can record video while charging. The power on. Press and hold the power mode button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on. The power off. Press and hold the power or mode button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn off. Apply on personal computer. Connect the personal computer. Camera is provided with a plug and play function. Connect the device to the computer USB line. USB line. TV out. Nari siya TV tara. Press and hold the UP button for 3 to 5 seconds to TV out. And that's it. We are ready. Mode switching. So this one is for the video. Photo playback. System setting, playback settings, photo settings, and the video settings. Just remember that. Okay, video mode, photo mode, playback. So these are the icons that you're going to press. Then for the setting, so ano siya? Resolution. Oh no, Tara, it's so hard to memorize everything. I can't memorize it. Thank you for watching. So, it's ready to use.